Hey, want to make your words pop? Let's talk adjectives today. Yo, what's the word that makes a noun feel fly like a bird? Not a verb, not a name. It's the adjective changing the game. Big blue sky or a tiny mouse, loud thunderstorm shaking the house. Sweet mango, cold breeze, adjective has got that flavor and freeze. They tell you what, how much, how many and which. Like a language DJ, flip that switch. Three tall trees, one green frog, fuzzy sleepers, sleepy dog. Want to pump your nouns with style, adjective make them worth your while. Stick them in front, add that spice, make your sentence pop like ice. ADJ, say it loud, adjective crew, we stand proud. Wanna ride cool, wanna sound tight, adjectives help you paint it right. Describe that noun, make it shine, adjective power every time. Describe the noun, make it shine, adjective power every time.